Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this particular video we are going to see the use of fonts and how we can choose the different fonts and basically how to plan your designs according to that. So if you are new to the channel and this is the first video you are watching on Canva, we have a complete playlist that you can check out from the description. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In this video, we are going to see the strategies for choosing and organizing the fonts in Canva. So the first method that we're going to be using is just exploring around the Canva and observe different fonts. Now, for example, if I go to templates, see different designs and the fonts you like, you can make a note of it and create your own collection out of it so that you can create or store the fonts that you regularly use or like. Now, for example, if I browse in some categories and click on, let's say, poster, I have a couple of designs here, and let's say I'm interested in this kind of font. So let's click on it and customize this template. Now, for example, this is the font that you like. What you can do is you can just make a document in Canva, make it a design. For example, let's say a presentation. What you can do is just copy and paste it right here. Make sure that it is in the same font that you like, and then just copy this name as well, and then just note the font name and write it here to indicate that this is this particular font. So this way you have the collection of fonts ready. You can make it small so that you can fit in many fonts in here. Similar is with this one. Just copy this text, paste it right here. Let's change the writing. Because it was white, it was not showing on this page. So I made it black and the text name is moon time. So just make a copy of it holding the alternate key, and you can manually say it a moon time. So this way you will note multiple fonts and create a collection for yourself, and you can always add new pages to it like this. So page 1, page 2, you can make a lot of collection out here, and just make sure that whenever you copy and paste the particular text style, it is in its original style so that you can get the idea of what this font looks like. Now, once you go back, you can find your designs in here. You can then rename it. For example, my fonts designs like this, and you can rename it from here as well. So that's it. This is how you can use and choose different fonts with this strategy. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.